welcome to another cool smartphone review, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to move away from phones for a second because I want to have a look at the brand new OnePlus Watch 2 that was just released recently at MWC. This is the first time I've had a chance to get hands on, so without further ado, let's dive in and have a look. So here we have the OnePlus Watch 2. And we have it in the green colour with radiant steel as the colour code. So let's just get that opened up and we can see the watch at the forefront. Move this out of the way. There's the watch there. Move that to the side. Inside the box there's not going to be a massive amount of stuff in here as I would expect there to be. So this is going to be our power. So on one side we've got our little charging puck, which is USB Type-C. That's really nice to see. And then on the other side I expect we'll just have a standard USB-C cable. The whole thing needs to come out apparently. So USB-A to USB Type-C for charging. I believe the watch supports VOOC charging, not super VOOC, just normal VOOC at 7.5 watts, which is really good to see because that should give us nice fast charging speeds. On the other side of the box, I expect this will be your warranty information and no stickers or red card vouchers. So you've got a little bit of user information and then safety guide. And that is all there is in the box. So get rid of all of that and we'll have a quick look at the watch. It comes in this little holder thing. Strap is really nice feeling actually. It's quite a nice feel, ridged on one side, smooth on the inside. Standard 22mm strap as well. And then you've got two sliding strap retainers, and inside one of these, this one here, you've got a little nub in there which will fit into that groove to stop it moving around. Take off this wee protector cover to reveal the watch itself. You can see here we've got our sapphire glass coated screen, which measures 1.43 inches across and is AMOLED as well. Brightness will go up to 600 nits. Screen resolution is 466 by 466 with a screen PPI of 326 PPI. And it is, as I mentioned, a 2.5D sapphire display. On the top button we've got our a rotating crown, however it doesn't actually, from what I've seen, it doesn't actually do anything. It is just the home button. And then on the bottom you've got a multifunction button, and I believe that's also doubles as the power button. On the back you've got pogo pins for charging connectors, and then you've got your sensor array. I believe in here you've got two sensors, or a couple of sensors, but it is mainly going to be your pulse, your blood flow sensor or your heart rate sensor, and you will also have optical heart rate sensor, optical pulse oximeter, and then inside you've also got accelerometer, gyroscope, sensor, geomagnetic sensor, light sensor, and a barometer. The watch itself is running a Snapdragon Wear W5 chipset, but it's also running a secondary chip, which is the really clever part. I'm just trying to confirm the name of that chip, because it's one I'm not familiar with, but it basically runs RTOS, which is a stripped down version of a watchOS. The chip is called a BES2700BP, and it is a Snapdragon W5 Gen 1, and that bit runs all the Android smart stuff. Just as a size comparison, here's my Pixel Watch 2, and you can see it's quite a bit bigger. If we fire this up, you'll be able to see the screen size as well. Now, I have been using this for a couple of days, and I've been really impressed by it. Very comfortable, lighter than the weight would suggest, and the battery life is, from my initial use, spectacular. On this watch I will struggle to get through 2 days. Genuine. On this one I can get anywhere up to 4 days, and that is using the smart mode, not the power saving mode. The power saving mode, realistically this would get me through a week and a half, easy, from what I've observed so far. It takes a little bit of time to boot up, but not too bad. You can notice just around the edges, if I clean it a little bit, there is quite a big bezel. It might not focus, but it's kind of got a concentric ring design, which is very similar to what you see on the OnePlus phones. So that's your screen real estate. Nice, bright, vivid screen. And obviously you've got your standard Android Wear features with your tiles, and then notification area, press the multifunction button, you've got a menu. This menu can be used in various different modes. You can have a planet view, which is kind of like a circular app layout, a grid view, or you can have this list view. I kind of prefer the list view, probably because that's what I'm used to from my Pixel Watch. That's pretty much all there is to say for the OnePlus Watch 2. Obviously I will go into more detail about its inner workings and various bits and pieces in the actual written review. Before I drop out there, let me just show you how that charging puck connects. So obviously you'd have a USB-C going in there, and it connects magnetically. And it is a good, strong connection as well. And then when you plug a USB-C in, it starts to charge pretty much instantaneously. This is a really nice solution. You can easily take this out with you. And I've had to actually charge my watch in the car, because I've had to charge it the night before, because I actually wear this to bed and use it for sleep tracking. One of the benefits of having a really long lasting battery life. So there you have it, the OnePlus Watch 2, their latest smartwatch, using the new OnePlus Duel-Engine Architecture design, which is a real groundbreaker for Android Wear as far as I'm concerned, and really happy to have had the chance to test this. Check out the full review on Coolsmartphone.com for more information about this watch and for more comparisons, of course, with the Pixel Watch 2. Thank you very much. See you on the next one. Bye.